What is going on? Mr. Crazy1870, and we're looking at the Google Home Hub, and one of the reasons that this caught my attention at the keynote is that it can really be useful for some hands-free action around the house. On the side of the box, it gives you a rundown at some of the Google command features that the hub will work with. In the rear, it also gives you another quick rundown at some of the features of the hub itself and some quick specs on the side of the box. All right, so first we do have the hub itself, but let's go ahead and leave that for last. Now next is the paperwork. You get a quick start guide and some warranty info. And for the last and final piece, you have the included power cord. Coming back to the hub itself, and it looks a lot smaller than what I imagined. Here we have the 7-inch touchscreen display, dual mics towards the top, the light sensor in the middle, the speakers located here on the back along with the power input. Now you also got this fabric style material with the bottom rubber base. You also got that Google logo right in the center. There's also a volume rocker and a mic on and off switch. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this up, get it up and running, use it, and get back to you guys with the full review. Don't forget to check out the 2 latest videos. Feel free to subscribe if you haven't already. And while you're at it, please hit the bell icon to get notified when the next video's up. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Later.